If you take a plant from China and grow it in Tel Aviv, maybe it will not be the same. And then you will say, well, I'm from Tel Aviv, that's why it didn't work. But maybe the plant is not good enough because it grew not in the places where its quality should be maximum. That's another subject.
I think that's very interesting. So where the plant will grow is going to affect the quality of the plant.
It's not exactly where the plant will grow, it's what are the ideal conditions. The original place where the plant grew when the herbalist found it, it's a combination of water and sun and the quality of the soil and length of day. All these things can be copied in another place, but one has to study exactly what are the conditions that affected the quality of the plant. And if you can collect it in the original place, that's one thing. If you can't collect it, you must study, and that's really a lot of scientific agronomical work to take this plant and transfer it. It's not very easy.
Mm-hmm.
For instance, the ginseng. Ginseng is one of the most famous plants on earth. I think it's the first one, the most famous plant, the root of the ginseng, which looks like a human being. The original place was China. Now, since it was studied all over the world, and it's considered very, very valuable, people are trying to cultivate in different places.
Mm-hmm.
And the last word will be, when you finally grow it, is to analyze the chemicals in it. We didn't speak about the chemicals yet.
Mm-hmm.
To analyze the quality by the chemicals it contains. Ginseng is very, very expensive. I mean, one root of ginseng, if it looks like an old body, like, you know, like a marble made of marble, or
Mm-hmm.
Can cost $250 for one root. So, and it's being imported from Korea mainly now. Korean ginseng is the best in the world. So back 10 years ago in Israel, they decided to try, we have wonderful agronomy, we are very good in agriculture, let's cultivate ginseng in Israel. So first of all, the seed takes 1 year to germinate. So they took seeds in Israel and they were able to germinate in 8 months. Great, we know everything better. Then the plant has to grow 5 years until the root becomes of the right size.
Mm-hmm.
And it has to grow in a slope, like in the forest in China, half shadow, half sun. So they found place up in the Golan Heights. And they did half a shade. And they grew the root of the ginseng, and it was up to the final size in 4 years. Wow, we can do it in 4 years. Now comes the critical question, is it as good as the Chinese? What do you think was the answer?
I'm going to say no.
No, it was not.
What were the differences?
The difference was in the chemicals in the ginseng are called ginsenosides.
Mm-hmm.
And there are a number of them. You need about 4 ginsenosides to be present in order for the ginseng to be active. And the Israeli one didn't have them. So they gave up, and even now they import ginseng.
That's very
from Korea.
interesting. So it was really missing the active component.
Yes.
That's very interesting.